Hello everyone, welcome back here in this new video tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add the custom unit or currency with numbers in Excel. As you see here, there is the unit kg added with the numbers and the unit rupees added with the number. When I put here a new number, then the kg is automatically added with the number and in the total 2, and here also when I put some value, the rupees or the currency is auto added. But here in the another cell, if I manually put 22 kg and 20 kg, then if I try to add these two values, I will get a value error. So here is a different process of applying the unit or currency name with the number. So here I will write add kg and here I'll write add rupees, and here I'll put some numbers first like 22, 45, 63 and 21. Here also I will write 32, 56, 29 and 32. Now to add the unit kg after the number, here first of all select the numbers, then right click in the mouse, click on format cells, then here go to the custom option, then here in the type remove the 0 that is previously given, then first of all type the hash symbol, then give a space, double quotation, type kg, double quotation close, then click on OK, and here you see the unit kg is added after all the number. Similarly, here to add rupees before the numbers, select the number range, right click, then go to format cells, go to the custom, and here first of all type double quotation rupees dot, then give a space, double quotation, then type the hash symbol. Now click OK. Now it adds the rupees before the number. Here to add all these, select these two, then press alt equal to, that is the shortcut for calculating total. Now here you can simply select these two, go to the home tab and click on format painter, then click on the total. Now the formatting is applied to the total. So in this way we can add the unit or currency name with the numbers in Microsoft Excel. And this much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.